Hey, what's up guys? In this short video, I will show you how to make your fingerprint unlock faster on your Samsung Galaxy A54 from this to this. You can see the difference. So this trick will improve your unlock time. And here is Samsung Galaxy A54. Let me unlock it. So do you see it took some delay to unlock? Let me show you again. Yes, this delay which is due to this animation. So I will fix this. Now open the settings of your phone. And here you need to scroll down and go to the security and the privacy. And here again scroll down and go to screen lock and biometrics. Give your password or PIN, then you get these settings. Simply go to fingerprints and there you have option of show animation when unlocking. So you simply need to turn this off. And that's it. Now let's go back to home and test it again. And boom, here you can see now the phone is unlocking faster than before. So you can see the difference. So there is no rocket science in this. I simply turn off that animation which was wasting your time to show you those useless lines. By turning that off, now it's feeling faster to unlock. So it's going to save you a lot of time which was wasted on that animation. So I didn't improve any hardware or anything else. That's just simple trick which will save you a lot of time. So that's how you can make your fingerprint unlock fast on your Samsung Galaxy A54. And if you found this trick helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Take care. Signing off.